I'm Eliana Cibrian and I play the violin.
I'm Nicolas and I play the flute.
I chose the violin because it was an elegant instrument and also because you can play many different types of music on it.
I chose the flute because honestly, I think it's a really joyful instrument. It's really bright, uplifting, and that's my reason. It's so wonderful to hear music, especially joyful music when you're down and you feel like you can't do things. Sometimes when I'm playing, I just get lost in the music.
I would either want to become a music teacher, work in an orchestra, or just play violin as a hobby.
I think I'm gonna carry it on probably as an orchestra player, and I'm hoping to become like my teacher, Mr. Will.
I love art, so I go to the library and I borrow art books. I like cartoony stuff. And we also do swimming.
Swimming and orchestra are alike because for swimming it's the practicing, for orchestra it's the practicing. For swimming it's trying to improve. For orchestra it's also trying to improve and trying to do better.
What else do we do? Piano. Yeah, we do piano.
Eliana was initially invited to do the honors orchestra, but Nicolas, in years prior, had indicated that he wanted to be in honors. So when he found out that she got in and he didn't, he was really upset about it. And I thought he was just gonna give up on it. And so I was really impressed by how he was able to overcome that barrier that he didn't think he could play that tune, and then to get to the point where he could play it, and then he could play it so well that he was able to play with the honors orchestra. So I know that was really empowering for him, and that was a proud moment for me because he didn't quit.
I think for me, it's honestly, it's kind of like a dream come true in a way, because now we're starting to play music together. And sometimes we'll sing. When I play guitar, I'll play some Elvis songs, and just the bonding. It's kind of like what I've always wanted before I had kids. So it's kind of nice to know that they appreciate it, that they're getting good at it, and that they just have that in our lives. We're very thankful for that.
That was one of our favorite things to do, I think, when they were rehearsing, was that they would be practicing in the same room, and my husband would be in the bed with the guitar and Santi would be next to him, and I'd be doing cross stitch, but we'd all have music around us, and it's a bonding experience for us.